What's up, you guys? Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to walk you through my super simple, quick, and easy night routine. So let's get into it. Alright, so my nights and pretty much my mornings always start off the same. I do struggle with alopecia areata, and I've had a lot of improvement. But, you know, you have to be consistent if you want it to get even better. So every night I start off by massaging my scalp with a hair growth oil. Today I'm using a new product actually that I've been gifted, and it's Ruby's Natural Hair Care. I've been using it for a week or so and I really am enjoying it. It's made with castor oil, grapeseed, lavender, rosemary, white tea, and thyme oil. All of those oils, trust me, I've done my research, are absolutely amazing for regrowing hair. So if you're struggling with thin edges or alopecia, I would highly recommend using an oil like this one and just massaging it into your scalp. I actually have a scalp massager that I ordered off of Amazon. Literally, I want to say it was definitely no more than $10. But I use this every night after I apply my oil and I massage my scalp. Scalp massages are not only relaxing, but they're stimulating the hair follicles, stimulating the blood flow, and that is great for hair regrowth. I do it for about 5 minutes, and on a typical night, I'm like sitting in front of the TV or reading a book, like just kind of going about my nights. It's very easy to incorporate into your night routine. And like I said, it's relaxing. If you have a headache, it's great for that too. And especially after a long day of working and dealing with folks, you want to just relax. This is great for that and great for your hair growth. So once I'm finished massaging my scalp, all I do is toss a satin cap over my hair and I'm done. I'm ready to go to sleep, you guys. It's that simple, that quick, that easy. No, I do not spray my hair with water because I don't want to sleep on wet hair. That's something I used to do, and now that I don't do it, I can honestly say that I have not seen a big difference in doing that. If you're moisturizing your hair in other ways, you don't really need to do all of that extra. I toss my cap on after my scalp massage and I head to bed. Alright, you guys, thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed. I just want to say that I have pretty much tried it all when it comes to a night routine. You know, when I first went natural, I would put water on my hair. I would put a little bit of leave-in on my hair before going to sleep. And what I found is that it didn't really help with moisturizing my hair, but all it did help with was me having a wet pillowcase and more work to do in the morning. When I go to bed with my hair dry and just putting a little bit of oil on my thinning edges, I find that I wake up and my curls will still be intact. All I have to do is kind of pick them out, maybe reform some, and I'm ready to go. So I guess my point in saying all that is you have to find what works for you. If your hair is really dry and you find putting your water and leave-in on at night benefits you, then hey, go for that. For me, it just kind of did more hurt than help. This whole thing of being natural is really learning as you go and figuring out what is going to benefit you in the long run. So I hope that you guys were able to pull something from this super simple night routine. If there is one takeaway, I would say the scalp massages. If you struggle from alopecia or just thinning hair or just thinning edges, then I highly recommend incorporating scalp massages into your routine. Not only that, but if you struggle with stress or headaches, scalp massages have been a huge benefit for me in this journey. So I definitely recommend doing that. If you want the link to my scalp massager, then check out the info below. Other than that, thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to thumbs up this video and subscribe. I post new videos every Sunday, or I try my hardest to. Sometimes they might be a day or two postponed, but if you subscribe, then you will definitely be notified when I have another new video. Anyway, you guys, thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.